Yo, what's going on, Domination Crew? It's Rico, and today we're going to be talking about how much time you're going to be investing with your Amazon private label dropshipping business. God dog, that was a mouthful.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives.
Yo guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Rico. Me and my partner Dan, we talk all about that Amazon goodness, all of that Amazon FBA, private label drop shipping, Shopify, all types of stuff. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, click that little notification bell so you get updated when we dropping that new hot fire on you.
Because I spit hot fire.
You know, if you guys watch the Chappelle Show, Dylon from the Chappelle Show, maybe you guys are too young, I don't know. But for all you regulars, you already know what time it is. Time to get right into it. So, how much time does it really take to invest in your private label dropshipping business? Now, that's going to differ for everyone depending on how many products you have, what you're trying to sell, all types of stuff. And granted, we make it very easy for our students to come in and start, selling because we have hundreds of done-for-you products already available. It's going to take a little bit still. You're going to have to learn how to do product research, which obviously we teach our students how to do, but to become a master, it takes a little bit, all right? You're going to spend some time doing it. I'd count maybe an hour or two out of each day and that's 7 days a week, mind you. So if you guys don't have an hour or two, out of your day, then this probably isn't the method for you, because this isn't something automated, right? This isn't eBay drop shipping where you just run a bunch of software, let everything work for you, and you just kind of set it and forget it. It doesn't work that way, guys. Like, you actually have to put time in, you actually have to invest in your business, because this is a real business. This isn't something that you just set and forget and go, do whatever. You guys need to find the time to do this. I would definitely say about an hour or two, even after you get up and running, because you guys are going to have to place your orders, right? You're going to have to place orders. You're going to have to talk to your suppliers. You guys are going to have to, email your customers back. You guys are going to have to keep things running smoothly. You're going to have to make sure you get all your shipping information in. There's just a lot of moving parts that require your attention. You can't just wake up and just let it go on its own, because then it's not a real business, okay? You guys are investing in yourselves, you guys are building a brand, and you're building something long term that you can either pass on in the future or sell. I recommend selling, because once you trademark and get registered brand status, that raises the value of your store significantly, and people will pay very handsomely for it. But you can do whatever you want. Still, count your sales out of an hour or two each day, all right? You still have to do your product research. That's very important. This method of drop shipping is not online retail arbitrage, okay? It is not go to Walmart or Home Depot or whatever and get some products and put them up online and go about your business. That, to me, that's not a real business. To me, that's a cash grab. That's like, yo, I'm gonna do this for a little bit and make as much money as I can and get into something else. Now, if that's what you're using, as a springboard to get into like real estate or something along those lines, then go right ahead. But as far as like a long-term venture, probably not gonna happen, and the profit margins are trash. So you can do almost no work every day, or you can spend an hour or two a day and be handsomely rewarded for your work. You figure that out. If you're a lazy gum, hey, by all means, jump on the eBay retail arbitrage bandwagon. You can see those guys doing big numbers every month, right? Doing 100K. Yeah, they're not telling you that they're not making any money on the front end, or they're making very little. So they may not spend as much time as you guys do, cultivating your listings and doing product research, but they don't make near as much money. Once you get to the high level and you have virtual assistants and stuff like that, then it makes it a little bit easier. Like, we have virtual assistants, so we don't spend 2 hours a day. We spend maybe about a half hour to an hour every single day going through the business. I'll do a little product research, see if there's anything else that we want to add to inventory, and then we go from there, and that's it. So guys, that's all you need. You really don't need that much time. If you can't find an hour or two out the day, you're lazy and you're not destined for greatness anyway. With that being said, man, make sure you guys check out the links below. Get into the free Facebook group. It's on and popping in there. We drop all types of free knowledge on you. We love helping you guys. There's all types of giveaways. Right now, it's good. We got some amazing things coming down the pipelines for you guys, for our students and all that stuff. So we'll get into that in a little bit, probably another couple videos or so. But yeah. So that being said, man, be safe, be smart. Peace out. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one.